Hello everyone. So this is I am just trying OBS for the first time, and I already cropped many times my display. So let's see. This is finally I am able to fix this, and I'm just going to show my website that I currently built, and this is more like a hobby project. And I just find a problem, which is like my mother always told me that, oh Nitu, you don't know anything about our extended family, and how can you don't know about his son, and how can you don't know about his daughters, son-in-laws, and all of these things. So I just thought that let's make a website and let's graph all it out, let's sort all it out, and let's figure out like literally how many persons are there in my family. So I just made the whole family tree with the help of my mother, obviously, with the information part. Otherwise I don't know that. So this is where I deployed. Also I deployed just in GitHub page. And okay, so I hope this is visible. And here in the scratch I just added this 43 members, where I drew all this member in a pen and paper, and I just told some AI agent to just frame it in a graphable or this structurable tree format, where it just identify itself that it is Padma, it consider it as a girl. And from here I did edit and all of this thing, and I did export this all this tree into a JSON format. Now you can import this JSON format to make the tree. Okay, so this is how the whole tree looks like. Of course I didn't add the generation 7th, but if I want to, let's say, know anything about, like, let's say I want to know about Aditya, who is my brother. So here we can see that I can see his parent, and if I will click Prasanna, then he is my father. Then you can see that Prasanna has 2 children, which is Himani and Aditya, and his wife's name is Jannavi Kumari, and her location is Jirabadi. And of course you can see his father is Dandapani. If I want to know about his father, then I'll just go to Dandapani, and I can see that how many children Dandapani has and who is Dandapani's father. And here I did symbolize red for the person who decreased, and green for the person who are still alive. And here you can see from the Sarath also, he is one son of Dandapani, and he has 6 children. And of course it's a hobby project, but you can just use it for your own use. And here I didn't fill up all the informations, but you do can add here. Like if I'll click edit, then I can edit his name, his date of birth, his location, his occupation, and give his photo, and add a note, or you can add his spouse name or marriage date and her photo also. And this is the whole website that I just made. This is a hobby project more like it. But if you want to view your family tree and to your family tree, if you have the JSON format, if you don't have the JSON format, you can just like draw a tree with 4-5 members, if the known ones, and you can just give that to an AI like Gemini, Claude, and anyone, and just tell that converted into a JSON format, and you can import that JSON to here and see your family tree, and after that you can edit your own also. Like I just gave the 47 member. You can see that deployment do have the 47 member that I gave initially, but then I just edited here also. Like if I want to add here one child of Bibha, then I can put some name and I can set the member, and you can see that he has now one child, and of course he doesn't have, so I'm just going to delete this. But after this also you can import this as a JSON file, then you can export this, and of course this is shareable, and this can help the next generation to know about their family tree and how their extended family looks like. So thank you. I'll make sure that I'll update if I am going to build some new projects. Recently I'm working on a project which is a game. Okay, I'll just share all this information once the work is done, and thank you.